Haitian food is the best food in the Caribbean, in my opinion, and the internet always gets in an uproar about this, but hands down, as an African-American, Haiti got it, just off the strength of the spaghetti alone. And I was craving it, so I decided to make it for dinner/breakfast. So I cooked down my sausage until it was brown. I went in with some bell peppers, onions, and some epis, and I cooked this just until the bell peppers and the onions were softened, and by now, it already smells super flavorful. Next, we're gonna cook down some tomato paste. I did about 6 ounces for about 1 or 2 minutes before adding in some sauce and some complete seasoning. And y'all, like I said, the kitchen already smelling good. And I also added in a little bit of water and a crushed Maggi cube. Right now, you want to taste it for seasoning, and I felt like it was perfect. Then we're going to add in some cooked spaghetti noodles. I cooked mine with a Scotch bonnet pepper. Shout out to me. And then I added in some salt and butter and let everything just steam with the heat cut off. Y'all, this is so fire. If you never had this before, definitely try it. It's so flavorful compared to regular spaghetti, and it don't take that long to make. Just don't forget to add that boiled egg, and thank me later.